Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to set the opacity or what we call the transparency for any of your Blender's 3D model. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. First, you can see here there are so many tabs. The tabs that you need to go is under the material. So you can just click the selected model and then click the material. So from here you just need to look for the alpha. Alright. If here it totally doesn't have anything, totally empty, let's say if you just create a fresh new model, for example a cylinder, you can see for this cylinder, under the material tab there's nothing. So there's no material, you can just add a new one, then change the color. Then at this point, you can just change the alpha, change the opacity, it will have the certain transparency. For some of the 3D model that already have the transparency, that already have the material, you can just directly adjust. It is really easy. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to change the opacity or what we call the transparency for your Blender 3D modeling and 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more 3D modeling and 3D animation tutorials. See you.